Hey everyone, home security is no joke, right? We all want to feel safe and comfortable inside our own homes. But with crime rates on the rise, it's important to take precautions. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 essential tips to level up your home security and keep burglars out. Some of these may surprise you, so stick around till the end. Tip 1. Locks. Don't rely on exterior locks. Let's start with locks. Did you know that most locks can be easily picked or bumped by experienced burglars? The first tip is to use internal locks that can only be opened from the inside. This adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for anyone to gain access to your home. Tip 2. Install a security vestibule airlock. Create a security vestibule or airlock. This is a small entryway with a second door leading into the main part of the house. It gives you a buffer zone to react if someone tries to force their way in. It might sound like something out of a spy movie, but it can buy you valuable time in case of an emergency. Tip 3. Alarms. Any alarm is better than no alarm. Next up, alarms. Whether it's a simple noise alarm or a comprehensive system with cameras and sensors, any alarm system is better than none. The goal is to deter criminals and let them know your house isn't an easy target. Tip 4. Walls high isn't always better. You might think a tall wall around your property is enough to keep intruders out, but it's not always the case. Add deterrents like electric fences, barbed wire, or even prickly plants. This makes scaling the wall much riskier for would-be intruders. Tip 5. Dogs. The best natural alarm. Here's a classic, a dog. Not only is a dog a loyal friend, but it's also an excellent early warning system. Their barking can alert you and deter burglars before they even make it to the front door. Tip 6. Family awareness. A united approach. Home security isn't just about gadgets and barriers. Make sure your family's on the same page. Talk about security protocols and set clear rules, like locking doors and windows and not letting strangers in. Tip 7. Entering your home. Stay vigilant. When arriving home, always stay alert. If you notice anything suspicious, don't go inside. Keep your key ready, vary your routine, and always look around before entering your house. Tip 8. Use smart home technology. Smart home devices are a great addition to your security setup. Install smart cameras, doorbells, and locks that you can control from your phone. You'll receive real-time alerts if anything unusual happens, giving you peace of mind even when you're not home. Tip 9. Keep your home well lit. Lighting plays a big role in home security. Motion-activated lights can scare off potential intruders before they even approach. Make sure the outside of your house is well lit, especially near entry points. Tip 10. Don't overlook windows. Lastly, don't forget about window security. Install window locks, security film, or even window sensors. Burglars often target windows because they can be an easy entry point, so don't let this vulnerability go unchecked. And there you have it, 10 essential tips to help keep your home safe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more security tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.